race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go Go Thomas. Go Go Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Diesel. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Perfect start. Smashing. To go. Superb. Final lap. Smashing. Winner! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appeared. Thomas versus Toby. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Superb. 2 laps to go. Brilliant. The racer has taken the lead. Winner! What a turn of events! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Acceleration! With this upgrade, your engine will gain more speed with each tap of the button. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Rosie. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Brilliant. Two laps to go. Smashing. Final lap. Smashing. Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appeared. Thomas versus Spencer. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You're in the lead. Brilliant. To go. Smashing. Final lap. Smashing. Spectacular shuffle. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. Thomas versus James. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. Smashing. To go. Superb. Final lap. Superb. Spectacular shuffle.